everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that air has mass, air is colorless and occupies space. So let's prove it. Materials required: 2 balloons, a needle and a thread. Here I have showed a dhandiya stick, but when I used a dhandiya stick for experimenting, it did not work out. So later on we used a chopstick in the video. I suggest you to use a balanced stick like a wooden scale. Let's get started with the procedure. Take 2 balloons and blow air into it in equal size and tie the balloons in the corner of the stick. Now we can see that air is colorless and occupies space. Now let's see how air has mass. Now take a needle and blast one of the balloons. Now you can see that the balloon has come down. This depicts that air has mass. Hence, we proved it.